In a world where heritage and horsepower collide, we uncover icons thought lost to time. Here in the quiet corners of forgotten garages, legends await their second chance. We're about to embark on a journey of revival, resurrecting a piece of automotive history. This is not just a restoration, it is the rebirth of a legend. The journey begins in the dim, hallowed space of an old garage, where time seems to have stood still. Light struggles through high, dusty windows, falling upon a silhouette cloaked in shadow and decades of neglect. As our eyes adjust, the shape becomes clear. A 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback. Its once vibrant cherry red paint is now a faded memory, dulled by time and marred by creeping rust spots. The interior tells a similar story of a life well lived and then forgotten, with torn seats and a dashboard cracked by countless suns. Our mechanics, true artisans in their field, circle the dormant beast. Their hands, guided by years of experience, trace the lines of the body, pointing out areas that will demand their utmost skill. With methodical precision, they begin the careful process of disassembly, unscrewing delicate trim pieces and documenting every component, each one a promise of the glory that will be restored. With the Mustang now under the bright, honest lights of the workshop, the true transformation begins. The car is stripped down to its very soul, its steel frame exposed to the world. The roar of sanders fills the air as layers of old paint and corrosion are methodically erased, revealing the pure, raw metal beneath. Freshly primed panels in a stark matte gray stand in contrast to the remaining faded red. A visual bridge between past and future. The engine bay, now a hollow cavity, shows the intricate skeleton of the chassis, a testament to the engineering of its era. Sparks fly as a welder meticulously stitches new life into a rust-eaten patch, reinforcing the car's foundation. As the hydraulic lift raises the shell, a fine dust dances in the volumetric light, a silent witness to the painstaking labor unfolding. Every weld, every sanded curve is a step closer to perfection. The heart of the Mustang is next to be revived. On a dedicated workbench, the engine is completely disassembled. Each component, pistons, valves, and camshafts, is meticulously cleaned, inspected, and polished until it gleams under the bright workshop lights. A time-lapse captures the rhythmic assembly as practiced hands rebuild the powertrain, tightening bolts and connecting wires with surgical precision. The moment of reunion arrives as the fully rebuilt engine is carefully lowered back into its rightful place within the freshly prepared bay. The scene then shifts to the sterile environment of the paint booth, a cathedral of color. Layer by shadow layer, the Mustang's iconic skilled technician applies the first coat of cherry, reflecting the promise of a brilliant future. The depth and luster of the new paint are simply breathtaking. The final act is one of assembly and revelation. The workshop is a hive of focused activity as the Mustang is made whole again. Gleaming chrome trim, polished to a mirror finish, is carefully reinstalled, accentuating the car's aggressive lines. New glass is fitted, and the interior is completely transformed with fresh upholstery, a restored dashboard, and new, clear instruments. The final moment arrives as the garage door rolls open, flooding the space with daylight. The restored 1967 Mustang Fastback emerges, its cherry red paint glowing in the sun. The engine roars to life with a throaty growl, a sound that echoes through the decades. It pulls onto an open road, a gleaming masterpiece reborn from dust and dreams, ready to write its next chapter. Through our hands,